Hello kids, welcome to KiDDOZ GLiMMER.
A for apple, A. B for ball, B. C for cat, C. D for dog, D. E for elephant, E. F for fish, F. G for giraffe, H for horse, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Learning letters, sing with me. I for ice cream, I. J for joker, J. K for kite, K. L for lion, L. N for monkey, N. N for nest, N. O for orange, O. P for parrot, P. Let's take a little break. Breathe and smile today. Q for queen, Q. R for rabbit, R. S for sun, S. T for tiger, T. U for umbrella, U for fan, U for watch. X for Xmas tree, X. Q R S T U V W X. We've learned so much, so X, Y, and Z are on the way. Let's go on. Y for yak, Y. Z for zebra, Z. A to Z, we know them all.
Please like, share and subscribe.